In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link sections on Carrd. Linking sections is really useful when you're building one-page websites and you want your visitors to jump smoothly to different parts of the page, like About, Services, or Contact, just by clicking a button or text link. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that inside the Carrd editor. First, open your Carrd site in the editor. Once you're inside, look over your layout and decide which section or container you want people to jump to. This might be a specific block that holds your contact form, a pricing section, or any other distinct area on your page. Click on that section or container. When you select it, its settings panel will open on the left-hand side of the screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see several icons. Click on the little gear icon to open the advanced settings for that section. Inside these settings, look for a field labeled ID. Carrd will often give this section an automatic ID by default. If you're on a higher tier Carrd plan, you can edit this ID and change it to something more meaningful, like Contact, Pricing, or About. Keeping it short, simple, and all lowercase is a good idea, because you'll need to type this ID exactly when you create your link. Once you're happy with the ID, you can move on to creating the actual link that will point to this section. Now, go back to the main editor area and look again at the top where the Add Elements controls are. Click the plus icon. A drop-down will appear with options like text, button, and menu. Each of these can be used as a link, but in this example, we'll use a button because it's very clear and easy to see. Click on Button. Carrd will automatically add a new button element, usually at the bottom of your site, or near the area you're currently working in. Click on this new button, then drag and drop it to the exact spot where you want visitors to click from, such as in your header or near another section. With the button selected, look again at the left-hand settings panel. Find the URL field. Instead of typing a full web address, you're going to enter the section ID you chose earlier, but with a hash sign in front of it. For example, if your section ID is Contact, you would type Contact into the URL field. Once you've done that, preview your site and click the button. It should smoothly scroll straight to the linked section.